guys, Mommy here from Marvelous Beauty World. If you want to see how I get this nice gorgeous Valentine friendly look, keep watching. Welcome back to Marvelous Beauty World. Today we are in Valentine, so we're gonna do some nice friendly Valentine makeup. Yeah, for today primer I'll be using the Porefessional primer by Benefit. So I'll be using this primer. It's really nice, that you know, to set your makeup on like all day. So I'll be applying. I prefer using my hand, so that's helps me like blend everything up. We're using the BECCA Ultimate foundation 24 hours. This foundation is just a really good foundation, like for dress, for oily skin. It does help you, like, you know, stay on like all day. It's really nice. So I will apply my foundation. I'm just, you know, blending my foundation with this bubble tea pot. It's really nice. It helps you give you a nice flawless look. I'm done with my foundation. So for the concealer, I'll be using the Long Range concealer, the one by M.A.C. So I'll be mixing two colors, so NC42 and NC85. I like this, like to be like a nice natural look. So that's why I'm just mixing these two colors, guys. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you are our regular one, you know, tell us what you think about this look. I'm just keeping it nice and simple. You know, we are in lockdown, but we still do our makeup and enjoy our life, because life is so short to be miserable, you know. Even in lockdown, we still do. So I'm just doing some highlighting, you know, just lift up my inside face. Let me blend my concealer. I did blend my concealer, so I'm gonna use a little bit of contouring. I like the cream one, so the one I'll be using today is the Caros from Black Opal. The creamy one, so the stick one. So that's how it looks like. Yeah, under my cheekbone, my nose, to chisel up my nose a little bit. And let's put on my pencil. Just gonna go ahead and blend it. That's what it looks like. Black blend. You know, blend it properly to make everything look even. Just blending my contouring. This is the concealer from Black Opal in shades Caros. But I'll leave all the products that I use on the description box. This loose powder by M.A.C, so just to set, you know, my entire face. Let me see. To set my contouring, I'll be using this powder here by Chanel. So le teint est at fini. I'll be setting my contouring. Just my forehead. Let me just sit in my concealer. Let me do in my nose. Contouring my nose. Let me contouring my nose. Come across this video, please help us subscribe, leave your comments, tell us what you think about this makeup look. This is nice, simple, friendly Valentine look we decided to create for you today. Excess both sides, we want to make it look more nicer, so make sure you use just a minimum amount of makeup. So for the makeup look, I'll be using this stone palette from Urban Decay. It was their Christmas collection. So yeah, I'm using it. So I'm gonna keep the eye look very simple. I'll use just two shadows. So I'll be using this shadow here. Yeah, just as my transition color. I don't know if you can see properly this one. Transition color. Very simple, darling. This is a nice, friendly Valentine look. Next color, I'll be using this color here. I'll use it just in the corner of my eye. Yeah. This brown color. So these shadows are very pigmented, you know, they are really, really nice. The only thing I like with Urban Decay palette, the shadow are just, you know, the pigments are just very off. Really nice. Same thing. Just use this eyebrow pencil. I like my eyebrow bone. Clean brush here, so I'll blend everything together. Like this video, please share it. If you are not subscribed, subscribe. You know, tell us what you think about all this process. So for like tone of my eye, I'll use this nice beautiful golden color here because, you know, wow, look at that. Ooh, it's so shimmering. Look at the shimmer. Wow, beautiful. I just use my fingers, you know. I didn't even need brush. I just use my finger. There you go. Doing the other side. Yeah. Using this lid palette again, so to just get this black shadow here. So, yeah, this black shadow is here. So I just put it like on top of my, you know, on top of my eyelid. I just put it there. So to create a nice, simple, smoky look. Yeah. Put it there. Yeah. Do the same. Line I'll be using this Hola white eyeliner. Hola line by Benefit. I'll just put like a baby line, a tiny bit, just to help us, you know, to hide the lash band. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please like, share, and then let us know what you think. Tell us what you want to see, you know, in the next video that we do it as well. Tell us what you like doing on Valentine's Day. Yeah. Hola lash mascara by Benefit. This mascara is just a bomb. It's very, very nice, you know. It's special for us who have like short curly eyelashes, so it does give you a nice illusion, you know. It's really, really nice. If you are looking for a good mascara to try this 2021, so I will recommend you to try it out. You're gonna love it. Now this mascara, let's make my eyes pop. Woo! With the eyelashes now. I just use this color here on my bottom lash. I'm trying to finish off the face. Yeah, guys, like, share, subscribe guys. Yeah, here, so I'm gonna finish off the face. So I'll be using this blush here, the Saharan 2 by JUVIA'sPLACE. A bit of blush. Top of my cheek. Some blush will do. Yeah. A palette here. So this palette from JUVIA's blush is really nice, you know. I'll leave all the product I use here in the description down below. Wow, see that? What a glow. This palette pay off, honestly. The pigment is just wow. Yeah. Finish off with this M.A.C Mineralized finish. Medium shade. Just sit. Blend everything together. This lip liner by M.A.C. Ho. And then this red lipstick by Dior. So the shade is 9999. So I'm mixing these two together for my lips. I'm gonna line up my lips first. Have a nice sharp lip. That's me filling my lip with the lip liner. So now I'm just gonna put my lipstick in the center. See that? So it's gonna make it last like forever. Last longer. Wow. I like this lipstick from Dior. That red. Wow, see that? This is hot. That's me getting ready for Valentine. Feel happy. Even though we are in lockdown, but we still celebrate ourselves. Valentine is a loving season, you know. Give someone love, give someone a present. Not just your husband. It can be your friend, your sister, anyone. Me feeling good. Let's finish off the lips. Setting my face with this all-nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. Yeah guys, here it is, our final look, you know, our Valentine friendly look. So we didn't use that much, we just use a little bit of foundation, just brighten up the face, and then a bit of concealer to lighten up, you know, our eyes. And then that's how it's done, you know. Tell us what you think about this look. How did you find it? It's Valentine Day, it's a lovely day. Put a smile on someone's face. So that's me ready for my Valentine. Let me know what you think about the look. You know, how did you find it? How did you find that red lipstick, you know, with this nice, you know, glam eyes? Tell me what you think about it. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you are not subscribers. If you are our regular subscriber, drop us a comment, tell us, you know, what you want to see next. We love you so much. You know, Valentine's Day is loving season. Love. Keep you here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your support. We do appreciate. Thank you so much. I will see you on my next one. Don't forget to tell me what you want to see next.